guys, welcome back to Bougie Doll Life. My name is Katrina, and today we're going to be getting some paint for our new dollhouse. So I want to take you guys along for the ride for redecorating this dollhouse, show you guys what I'm planning on doing, and take you guys along with me and show you guys how I'm planning to redecorate this dollhouse. So first, we're starting at Home Depot to pick out a color for the walls. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go. Guys, so I picked out a color. I ended up getting, and I got free painter's tape. Thank you, Juan in paint. And I got this color right here. It is the satin blocking paint and primer, and I got it in the color ultra pure white. Now I could have got a color wall like my other wall, but I'm not gonna lie, that painting that wall color, I kind of regretted it, because later I was like, I don't really want color. So I was like, let me go with white, so then I can paint all the walls white that I want and then decorate it as I go along, and I can always add color later. So yeah, so I'm gonna start with white in the dollhouse. So, and also I got some paint brushes and things like that. They were like $1, so I got a small one and a big one. So now I'm gonna go to Hobby Lobby to see if I can get some contact paper so we can use for our flooring. Is the Brooklyn Loft dollhouse. So it's by Kids Kraft. So I'm about to build this. So I'm going to show you guys once I have it built what it looks like inside before I customize it. The dollhouse is completely built. So this is the dollhouse. And now I'm about to paint this floor right here. And up here, I'm going to paint the walls all white because I want a blank canvas for when I do a customization. And then on the side here, I want to change this pink brick to a regular red brick on this side, just this top part right here, I think. No, actually no, I'm going to change this one too. So just these two bricks I'm going to change, and that's it. So let's go ahead and start painting. And yeah, this is it fully painted. So now I'm just going to let it dry overnight, and then we're going to go ahead and do the floors in the morning. So I'll see you then. So today's day 2. The paint is dry in the rooms I want it painted. So now I'm about to cover the floors, and I'm going to be using this wood grain right here on the floors. So I'm going to show you guys a little clip of me doing it. To glue it, I'm going to be using tacky glue, which will be the best glue, because with hot glue you don't really get all the surface area, and I already use tacky glue. So let's get into it. We're doing the second row. I'm trying to fix my camera. So we're going to be doing the second row the same as the top. So this one I'm going to be showing you guys more in depth how I do it. So I take one of the sheets of paper, I put it flush with the wall to make sure that I have the right amount, and then I take the tacky glue and then I glue it across the whole paper.
This is faster than hot glue and it takes less glue, because with hot glue you're gonna be here all day and you can potentially burn yourself. So this is like the quickest way to put floors. Now when you want something more like very stable, like for floors, this works perfect. This will stay till the end of time, because I did a restaurant with this. But when it comes to like objects, I would use hot glue, like a sofa or anything like that. But for the flooring, this is your go-to, because you want to make sure you get as much surface area as you can. And then any parts that lift up, you just put a little bit of tacky glue and it will stay. So what I'm doing, I'm going to put it flush with the wall. And plus you can move it around. That's the good thing about tacky glue, you can move it around before it sticks. So seeing how I have that flush with each other, and that's part of the floor. So now I'm gonna do another side on here. Make sure you get a good amount. I always overbuy when it comes to wood grain floors, because you know, even if you have extra, I built more than one doll room, so I'm fine with that. So I'm going to glue this one right here. Let's go ahead and do the same step. I love this dollhouse, not just the fact that, you know, it's really big. So I love this dollhouse because it has stores on the bottom, so that's pretty much extra dioramas. It was only like $97 on Amazon. I will link this dollhouse in the description box down below. And it had a staircase on the side, and I love that look, and I love that whole like balcony with brick. And I want to do graffiti on the side of the brick, so I had bought some brick paper, and my plans is to do a little bit of graffiti on there. After I put the tacky glue, I'm just gonna hold it here and put it flush with this. And there you go. And then for the end, we're gonna take off this painter's tape because we don't need it anymore. And then we're just gonna do it to here, because right here, we're not there yet. So I have these scraps from the top part, and I'm just gonna glue it like that. See how I bent these around? Only because this part, it goes into, it just shows like pink. So this part has stores, so I'm not gonna do that. I'm just going to take my scraps and just glue them right here, and whatever I'm missing, I'm just gonna go ahead and catch that there. So let's just go ahead and bend this back, because this part right here is gonna cover the top part. Okay, I know it's a little fast, but I'm trying to explain the best I can. Let me get my scissors. So we got the wood floors. I really love it. It's so beautiful and I'm happy. And yeah, this is looking really good. So I'm gonna let this dry. I have to go do some things, and then when I come back, then, well, this is gonna be part 1 video. So what I do when I come back will be in part 2. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and click that notification bell so you can be notified so that you can see any other updates I do for this house. So go ahead and hit that button. So I'll see you guys in the next video of part 2. Bye.